Hey Uber Eats lovers, welcome back to the channel where we make your Uber Eats experience smoother and tastier. Today I am going to show you how to add special instructions to your food orders on the Uber Eats website. Whether you are customizing your meal or noting dietary restrictions, these tips will ensure your order is just right. Let's dive in. First things first, open your web browser and go to Uber Eats website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Browse through the restaurant's options and pick the items you want to order. Once you have added your chosen items to your cart, click on the cart item at the top right corner to view your order. Here's where you can add those all important special instructions. At the bottom of the cart there is an add note or special instructions button. Click on it to open a text box. Type in any specific requests or modifications you need, like extra cheese, no pickles or gluten-free. Remember to be clear and concise so the restaurant understands exactly what you want. After typing your notes, click save or add to attach them to your order. Once all your instructions are in place, double check your order to make sure everything looks good. Then proceed to check out and place your order. Your special instructions will go straight to the restaurant along with your order details. And there you have it. Adding food instructions on Uber Eats website is super simple and ensure your meal is exactly how you like it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more handy tips and tutorials. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your meal.